Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Small tablets are having a serious moment right now, and it's easy to see why. They offer a much better viewing experience than a phone while still being far more comfortable to hold than a full-size tablet. OPPO has just stepped into this space with its new OPPO Pad Mini 8.8-inch, and it's actually the first mini tablet powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Let's begin with how it feels in the hand. The soft light version comes in at just 282 grams and is incredibly slim, measuring only 5.46 mm at its thinnest point. The standard version goes even further. It's thinner than a collapsible water bottle and lighter than a can of soda. Despite the compact form, that 8.8-inch display is still pocket-friendly. The bezels are trimmed down to just 2.99 mm, and the unibody metal build makes it really comfortable to hold. You get 3 color options, and the purple variant I'm using has a clean, understated look. The back has a subtle matte texture that helps keep fingerprints away, and overall it's super easy to carry around in a bag. The size and weight feel perfectly balanced. Now, the display is where this tablet really stands out. Compared to something like the iPad Mini, which uses an LCD panel, the OPPO Pad Mini comes with an OLED screen, and the difference is immediately noticeable. Blacks on OLED are deep and true, while LCD tends to look more grayish in darker areas. The resolution sits at 2880 by 1920, and you also get a 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Combined with the 3:2 aspect ratio and a peak brightness of 1800 nits, the screen feels great whether you're reading in landscape or scrolling vertically. Even under bright sunlight, it cuts out about 99% of glare, so everything remains clearly visible. On the other hand, the iPad Mini tends to struggle more with reflections, often forcing you to adjust angles just to see properly. Eye comfort is another big win here. The minimum brightness can go as low as 2 nits compared to around 30 nits on the iPad Mini, which makes a noticeable difference during nighttime use. The 4320 Hz ultra-high-frequency PWM dimming helps reduce eye strain during long sessions. It also features Blue Eagle Intelligent Eye Protection 5.0 and dual anti-reflection certifications, things you won't find on the iPad Mini. There's even a new palette mode that softens colors to mimic the feel of printed paper, making extended reading much easier on the eyes. Right now, this might just be one of the best displays you can get on a small tablet. When it comes to performance, this device is in a league of its own for its size. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip brings flagship-level power to a mini tablet, and you can see that clearly in performance results. Paired with Linksy Touch optimization, everything feels precise and responsive, no weird drifting or lag when swiping or interacting. On top of that, Super Frame and Super Picture technology boost frame rates beyond native levels, making visuals feel even smoother. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features, the AI Stylus. Writing on this tablet feels surprisingly natural, with a level of friction that closely resembles pen on paper. Pressure sensitivity is well tuned, so light strokes give you thin lines and heavier pressure creates thicker ones with great accuracy. One standout feature is AI Circle. You simply draw a circle around anything on the screen and it instantly extracts or processes it. Circle text to get a quick summary, or circle an image to remove the background or identify content. No need for screenshots or switching apps. Then there's AI Temple Fair, which can turn rough sketches or simple diagrams into clean mind maps or polished charts, making note-taking much more efficient. And here's a nice little touch. The stylus has a built-in search feature, so if you misplace it, you can easily locate it instead of worrying about losing it. Battery life is solid as well. It packs an 8,000 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging support. You're looking at up to 19.5 hours of video playback and around 6.2 hours of gaming. With a charger on hand, it can comfortably get you through a full day of use. All in all, the OPPO Pad Mini brings flagship-level features into a compact, pocket-friendly form. Compared to the iPad mini, it clearly stands out in terms of display quality and eye comfort. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 ensures strong performance, especially for gaming, and the Stylus, combined with its AI features, adds a lot of practical value. If larger tablets feel too bulky or foldables are out of your budget, this is definitely a device worth checking out. It might surprise you. The base variant starts at 36.99 yuan in China, which is roughly £402 in the UK and about $542 in the US. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.